Hodor was in need of a new shunting engine for one of its starting to become bigger stations, Kildane. They would get heavy goods every single day and would need someone to be able to shunt them. Not just any shunter, though. A strong shunter. So they got a Southern Railway Z-Class. This Z-Class, his name was Olive. Olive loved working here. Everyone was very impressed from his strength. No one knew that an engine like him could be so strong. He loved his job, shunting every single day. One day, a green pannier engine pulled in. His name was Montague, but everyone called him Duck. Oh, you must be that new engine. What's your name again? My name's Olive. Funny, I have a cousin named Oliver who works here. Huh, that's pretty interesting. Now, I assume you're a Great Western engine with the resource and sagacity you're clearly displaying in your job. Oh, no, sir. I'm for the Southern Railway. The Southern? That's... ugh. Don't be rude. Just because I'm from another railway doesn't mean I'm not useful. You're right, I'm sorry. I've got to start working on that. Yep, I can agree. I like you. You've got a sense of humor. You're pretty cool too. You want to hang out sometimes? Sure, sounds great. And Duck and Olive became friends.